Hello, hello. This is Creating Cards with Sherry. I'm Sherry, and I'm so glad that you have joined me today for my Tickled Tuesday video. Everything that you see today, well, for the most part, you will have to wait till January to order it because I'm going to do an unboxing of some special products that are coming up in our from our mini catalog, the January to April 2023 catalog, and the celebration brochure that goes with that. So, but if you are interested in anything, get out a piece of paper and a pen, write it down, and be all set to go. You will go to my creatingcardswithsherry.stampinup.net store to purchase what you want starting January 1st. Okay? All right. This is our new stuff. Ooh, I'm so excited. Um, This is the beautiful catalog that comes out, and this is the celebration. And the celebration brochure means that anything that you buy from here that is over $50 or more, you can get free products from this brochure. And so it's a great deal, something that only happens twice a year. And I think they're even going to cut that down. So you need to take advantage of it now. All right. I'm going to do an unboxing today. I had a box that came in of some stuff that I had ordered from these catalogs, and I want you to be able to see how wonderful they are. All right. I had already opened the box because I had something in here that I had to get for a customer. And so that's why it's already open, but I haven't done anything else with anything else. All right. So, this is a stamp set called Sending Support. And I thought it was just, I really like the words in it. Some days are harder than others. Sending love, thoughts, and prayers. Hope today is one of the easier ones. There are so many ways you might feel right now. Alone shouldn't be one of them. I'm here for you always. Good luck. It's okay not to feel okay. You've got this. My shoulder is yours. And courage is being really scared and doing it anyway. So I really like the phrases in here. And this was one that came from our brochure that I could get for $50 if I ordered $50 or more. Okay. Then these are some treat bags. There are ombre gift bags. And I ordered them because I thought they would be really fun for special treats for family and friends. And so they're just, you can put cards in them, you can put candy in them. I mean, there's all sorts of things you can do. So, and they're all with the 2000 and let me think, I have to get my years straight. 2021-22 in colors. Aren't those pretty? I really like those. And they're a good sized bag, so you can put some good stuff in there. That's even a good thing for teachers to have, to hand out stuff to their students or for gifts to give to teachers around Valentine's Day, Easter, and that sort of thing. Okay. Now let's see. Oh, I needed some more plates for my die cut machines, so that's what these are. And I needed some more refills for my stamp and seal, so I got those. All right. Then I got this because I thought it would be a lot of fun. But I got it basically so that when I have my classes and we have scrap papers, this is a little trash can where they can put their scraps in that they're throwing away. So that's why I got that, so that we could use that during our class time. I thought that was a neat little thing that they came out with. All right. I'm trying to get it bundled up again. Here we go. All right. Then let's see. this and this. I'm trying to keep it all. Oops, here's another refill. And I'm going to try and put this together to show you the whole set of stuff. Oh, this is the Dandy Designs 12 by 12 DSP, and this you get if you spend $100 or more. Let me get my scissors here. I can't wait to see this stuff. I thought the paper was so cool. And it's going to be great come Easter time, and good for parties and all that sort of thing. So let's see what we have here. We have a star pattern with that. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of each pattern. So here's one side. There's the other side. Got a polka dot side. And then there's that pattern and this pattern. I love these colors. They're nice and springy and pastel, and I really like them. Here's a solid, well, these are both purple. One's checked, one's flowered. See the back side of the checked one, it looks like that. Kind of a plaid look. Here's some more stars in the orange. Or that might be Calypso Coral. And that's the pattern on the back of that. We have a striped look. And then that little boxed. This reminds me of grid paper, this shape or boxed stuff. Oh, excuse me. Some more polka dots. We've got stripes on the back of that and a green pattern. I just love these colors. They are so cool. Okay. And then we have those and the back side of that one. So that's called, oops, that's called the Dandy Designs 12 by 12 Designer Series paper. And again, there's a lot of paper in here. I mean, I don't even know how many sheets completely. I don't know if it even says. No, but the colors in it are balmy blue, calypso coral, coastal cabana, fresh freesia, granny apple green, mango melody, and petal pink. And like I said, it's a great spring look. Be nice for Easter. And you can get that for $100 or more. Okay. Then I ordered some catalogs to hand out. And I'm saving this stuff for last because it all goes together. And some brochures. Okay. Then the suite collection that I bought is called the Regency Park Suite Collection. Oh my goodness, I have a tickle in my throat. And what you get with this collection is the shimmer paper. So let's see how shimmery it is. There's this a blue. I don't know if you can kind of see the shimmer in that. And a white and a green. And it looks like balmy blue, white, and shaded spruce. That's what it looks like to me. Yep, that's it. So those are the colors that you get that will go with this set. You will get a 6x6 designer series paper, which also has Balmy Blue, Mango Melody, Night of Navy, Petal Park, Shaded Spruce, and Sweet Sorbet. So let's get this one open and take a look at these. And it looks like you get 2, 3, 4 sheets of each of these as well. Well, that's pretty cool. So you have that flowered look and the striped look on the back. Another flowered one. With the petal pink pattern, softer pattern in the back. This one. With the petal pink and the balmy blue, and then it's got the mango melody in the back. A balmy blue pattern, very pretty. Has petal pink polka dots, calypso coral. So it looks like there's a lot of flowered patterns in this one. And sometimes I like these smaller 6x6 papers than I do the 12x12, just because a lot of times you only use part of it, you don't use all of it. So it's nice to be able to have the smaller sheets to work with. Okay, so I love the colors in that one. And the navy, Night of Navy in the back. This is really pretty too. Oh, it's the same one. Okay. Then we have the softer look. I kind of like that one. I like the softer looks. And some more Night of Navy. I hope I'm not sliding out of the screen on you. I'm sorry if I did. And we have that. And that. Some little itty bitty flowers. And those. Oh, I like that combination. That's cool. And I think that's it, except to see what's in the back here. All right, so that's the 6x6 paper that goes with this set. Again, this is the Regency Park. I want to make sure I get that. Yeah, Regency Park Suite. So you get the shimmer paper and the 6x6 paper. You will get this Night of Navy ribbon. And let me see, it's really pretty. Let's see if I can get this wrap off of it so we can take a closer look at it. It's hard to get under the plastic without cutting the ribbon. Come on. Okay. Isn't that pretty? I like that. That is really cool. Let's see what it tells me. If it tells me anything. A lint board bordered ribbon. That's all it basically says is the bordered ribbon and it's Night of Navy. It's a very pretty ribbon. Okay. Okay, then, oh, this got ripped in the packaging. All right, Sentimental Park is the polymer stamp set and the Petal Park. Get both of those, and then you get, let's see, there should be, I think I'm missing something. Yeah, this has, thanks, thinking of you, let's celebrate, dear friend, your new adventure for, and then just for you, best wishes, your new baby. New adventure for your anniversary, graduation. You're amazing. Happy birthday. Lots of fun things in there. And this is the two-step flowers, it looks like. So I'll get to play with that and I'll let you know how that works. I'll do that in a video one day. The builder punch with it, the flower punch actually goes with this one. And then there's supposed to be a die set that comes with this. And I don't see it unless I pulled it out by accident. I thought I saw it earlier. Yep, there it is. It's stuck in between the plates. Okay, this is the Sentimental Park dies that goes with this. Let's see what we've got here. Ooh, neat. So you can punch out a lot of flowers and leaves, and it looks like it has some fancy borders that you can use. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. I'm not getting this in here very well. Okay, there we go. So this is the bundle, the Sentimental Park and the die set that goes with it. And then this bundle, the Petal Park and the Flower Punch. And let's take this out of here so we can see that better too. It might glare a little bit anyway because of the shine in it, but that's what the petals look like. All right. So you get those two stamp sets and their bundle, the punch and the dies with it. We get a 3D cane weave embossing folder, it says. So let's open that and see what that looks like. Ooh, cool. So that's what that cane weave is all about. And then for the embellishments, you get adhesive backed milky dots, they're called. So you have the different colors and they're just kind of in a milky look. So, and that's all. This is what you get with the whole suite. That's all of it. A lot of stuff and a lot of creative things that can be done. I can't wait to get my hands on them because I'm going to have fun. And then, of course, just a reminder, because I paid $100 or more, I got the sending support uh, stamp set and this dandy, I forget what they call it now, dandy designs paper for free. And there's a lot of sheets in here, a lot. I don't even, let's see. One, two, oh, there's probably about 32 to 40 sheets in there. So there's quite a bit in there. And so anyway, the Regency Park Suite is what you can get out of this catalog starting January 1st. You don't want to miss it. And it's going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait to dig into it. So anyway, thanks so much for joining me today. Be sure to check out um, my shop at creatingcardswithsherry.stampinup.net to get your Regency Park collection today. You have a wonderful evening and a great week. Bye now.